Welcome to the Sirix studio. I'm Oli, the new and first Sirix YouTuber. As a person that doesn't like conventional work, I've been through a lot of side hustle that eventually became my main source of revenue. And after 5 years of working in the cinema industry, I've realized that maybe I was not fit for such big teams. So I decided to go back to basics. A one-man show. Juggling between small businesses advertising, events recaps, and media content creation, I was ready to hibernate for the winter, until Sirix knocked my cave with a proposition I could not refuse. Becoming the full-time YouTuber. I don't know which platform is your go-to for information and entertainment, but personally, YouTube has been my Instagram and my Google at the same time for as long as I can remember. And here I am, creating content for a company that helps me fulfill my ambitions as much as I'm ready to fulfill theirs. It's only the beginning, and I can't wait to see where this collaboration will lead us. Sirix, me, and the community. For more information, contact the Sirix team, or, just comment below. I'll see you soon.